Fellow Nevillers, today is day 7 of 365 days personal challenge to read, study, share a Neville lecture. So today we're up in The Pattern Man from 1968. What smacked me today was what Neville wrote about hell. Let me share what he says here, my lovelies. He says, God is infinite mercy, but man has to pass through the furnaces of experience, not the furnaces of fire, as they talk about it, but the furnace of experience. Here comes the good part. Do you know any greater burning than to lose someone you love dearly? A mother losing a child. It doesn't go off for the night or the day or the week or the month or even the year. That's burning. A separation between two who love each other. Isn't that burning? That's exactly right what Neville says there. When you can't sleep, you are all carried away. That's burning. That's a fire. That's hell. And then he continues to tell us the hell we're in right now. So you are in hell right now. All day long, the loss of a business, the loss of face. A man has a business and he's so proud of it, he joins the best clubs and he looks down on everyone who can't get into that club. Then comes a blow and he loses the business and he can't afford to remain in the club. And he has to beg now for credit, and he has no credit. He goes to the grocer's where he was so proud before, and the grocer considers whether he will give him credit or not. Now, isn't that hell? I'm presuming what Neville's talking about here in his lecture is what he went through in his father, which he relates in different lectures. I'll try and catch up with those and share them. Now let's see what he says further here. So all these are hells, the furnaces through which man passes right here on earth. And when he leaves this hell, unless he's born from above, he continues in hell until that cross is completely worn, and it's worn by Christ Jesus, because Christ Jesus is I am. That's his name. And he's wearing this cross. When it's turned to dust, he will still find himself on a cross, just like this, that bleeds if you cut it, and it's solid as this is solid, in a world as solid as this world is solid. And he continues, and if he passes through another stage called death, he finds himself restored to life, and continues the journey until he resurrects. So Neville here is describing what happens when we pass from this sphere, Earth, to the next sphere. When we finally take off our garment for the last time, i.e. we pass, which we call death here. So the hell is earth, because our crazy imaginations, well, I shouldn't call them crazy, our, what can we say, our undirected imaginal activities have caused hell on earth, and it's actually heaven, because heaven is within us. You can't see the heaven until you've had your second birth. So that's what Neville's describing up in this lecture, is the pattern man, the pattern of Jesus Christ that's within each and every one of us. Recently, I've been causing myself a tremendous amount of suffering. It's like I fell in the well again. I fell in it one time, said I wouldn't do it, by torturing myself with what I don't have in 3D. I went and did it again, or it came up and down I went into the well. This time it's like, okay, I've had enough. Makes me want to surrender to Jesus Christ. I am. There's your little bit of personal info. All right, my lovelies, feel free to leave a comment. I can discuss further the pattern man, and you can leave a lecture reference if you so desire. But I thank you for your time and attention. Have you subscribed yet? Do you love Neville that much? I do. Join the band of Nevilleaholics, which is me. All right, my lovelies, see you next time for some more Neville wisdom. Bye.